Watch closely. Place a steel ball in the middle of a wooden stick, put a monkey hoop on top, gently tap the steel ball to fix it. Then insert another wooden stick to create an indentation. Use a drill to make holes at the indentations on both ends, squeeze in wood glue, then insert wooden scorpions, and apply wood glue to the connecting surfaces. Finally, just tap in another wooden stick, and you can complete the vertical joint of the two logs. If you want to make a 45-degree diagonal brace with a square timber, you can first draw a parallel cutting line, then fix the cut-off waste piece below the connection point, and then make a diagonal brace fixation on top, making the brace structure more stable. When dealing with cracked wood, you can first tighten the board, nail it at the crack, and wrap it with wire to tighten, creating an inward pulling structure. This way, when nailing again, the board gets tighter and tighter. This is also a technique commonly used by old carpenters to reinforce two boards. Place a screw flat on the square timber to secure it, then place another piece of wood and tap to create an indentation. This accurately marks the connection points of the two pieces of wood. Simply drill holes according to the marks, then insert wooden scorpions for a perfect joint. Squeeze wood glue into the hole. Insert an appropriate amount of toothpicks, hammer repeatedly to secure, then wipe off excess glue and trim the surplus, and you can repair the hole in the wood. How do you make an arch joint with these two boards? Use a ruler to draw two parallel lines along the edge of the board, then measure out the diameter of a semicircle. Using this diameter, draw a pendulum-style semicircle on the second line. After cutting off the excess outer parts, you achieve a perfect joint. Wrap a pen with a string, adjust the string length to match the board's width, then draw a pendulum-style semicircle. Connect the two base corners of the semicircle, which is the 45-degree slant line on the board. Cut along the marked line, and the two boards will perfectly join at 90 degrees. This is a technique for cutting fixed slots on load-bearing beams when building sloped roofs in rural areas. Extend the edge line of the lower beam to the main beam, connect these two lines horizontally, and cut out the slot along the line to complete the joint. Place the square timber in the corner between two boards, adjust the angle ruler to the appropriate length, draw parallel lines on the timber along the angle, and cut off the excess parts along the line to achieve a seamless joint. Align the two boards at 90 degrees. Use a carpenter's custom-made bevel ruler to connect the two top corners, then draw parallel diagonal lines on the bottom. The area between the two parallel lines is the part to be cut away, and the remaining part will achieve a perfect 90-degree joint. How do you make a corner joint with two boards of different sizes? First, draw an extension line along the bottom edge of the smaller board. Then, connect the base corner of the extension line with the base corner of the larger board. Align the outer edges of the two boards, extend the edge line of the larger board to the smaller board, and connect the two base corners similarly. This way, by projecting each board parallel to the other, you can equally determine their respective areas to be cut. Finally, there is the age-old finger joint structure. Process the end of the wood into interlocking wedge shapes and hammer them into wedge-shaped slots. Once formed, they are very strong in tension.